Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start at the driver's side lower windshield and the door jam because most manufacturers place the VIN there. You look through the glass at the metal plate near the base of the windshield first, then open the driver door and scan the sticker on the jam to confirm the same 17 characters. Once done, use a flashlight and wipe away grime if needed to make numbers readable. This double check ensures accuracy and prevents transcription errors when you record the VIN. Next, you expand to secondary locations to verify the VIN's authenticity. Lift the hood and inspect the firewall, strut tower, or radiator support for a stamped or plated VIN. Then check the engine block and the vehicle frame and look in the spare tire well. Manufacturers sometimes place redundant VINs in these spots. Make sure all instances match the same 17-character sequence, because discrepancies can indicate replacement parts or tampering. If characters differ, document each and proceed carefully. Finally, you record the VIN by writing it down and photographing it from multiple angles to capture every character clearly. Once done, double-check the transcription against vehicle documents like title and registration to verify ownership. If the VIN is corroded or unreadable, use oblique lighting, a magnifying glass, or seek a professional inspector. Trying to force or alter characters risks legal trouble. If you find mismatches, contact the DMV or a trusted mechanic before proceeding with any transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.